Hey, you two, welcome back. Happy new 2022 years, guys. So today I'm just gonna unwrap this. This is the bag. Oh, actually the gift bag. The gift goodies that we got from the Rose Parade. So I have to give a shout out to Kim for give us a ticket to experience the Rose Parade after 40 years of living here. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and show you guys what we got. We got two of this American flag. Got this two of this chair. One is silver color, the other one is in red. So my wife combined everything into one bag. As you can see, we got two individual bags. Got this Louisiana Sunshine magazine, Feel Your Soul. Part of their advertising, so you can visit there for the Mardi Gras. And we got this nice towel. Well, actually hand towel from Recess. And it says university. So this one's microfiber towel. 100% polyester, made in China. And we got this Recess 2 peanut butter cups. Got 2 of those. And we got 2 of this peanut butter rose, milk chocolate, and peanut butter cream. Go ahead and open this up and show you guys. Wow, kinda melted. And here's our ticket. We were at the beginning, at the start of the parade on aisle 3, and then row X, seat 60. It is for 133rd Rose Parade. So it is sponsored by Honda, the power of dreams, okay? Our friend works at Honda, so, which is cool. And this is some of the note that you cannot bring, like you could only bring like bottled waters, which is need to be sealed. No selfie stick or anything else. And then the size of the bag is limited to 14 inch by 14 inch by 6. So yeah, I need to show you proof of vaccination and everything. And then also check your bag. And we got this Rose Parade face mask. These two face masks We got it at the Metro link when we tried to take our Metro link for the airline. So they were giving out for free part their advertising. Ooh, necklace for the Mardi Gras. These are the dates, okay, in case you guys want to go. So these are two of the magnets for their advertising for the San Diego Zoo Wildlife. And that's it. By the way, we were giving out these programs for free, but toward the end, they was trying to sell this for like $10 each. Anyway, I grabbed an extra one just in case. Well, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video and hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet. And I'll see you guys on the next video, but be sure to watch out for the Rose Parade that I recorded or documented. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.